Watch me make these adorable Miniverse Spring Series Easter Cupcakes. And at the same time, I'm going to make full-sized Easter cupcakes for myself. I was so excited to find cupcake liners at Walmart that looked almost exactly like the Miniverse ones. I frosted the Miniverse cupcakes with the included resin and mini icing spatula, and frosted my full-size vanilla cupcakes with whipped cream cheese frosting. Time for sprinkles! I thought these spring mix pearls from Hobby Lobby looked pretty close to the Miniverse ones. These mini carrots and bunny ears are so cute! I decorated my full-size cupcakes with some carrot meringues I made and some Wilton candy bunny ears. Finally, I baked my Miniverse cupcakes in my Make It Mini kitchen oven. They came with this mini pink dessert stand, so I displayed my full-size cupcakes on a pink dessert stand too. Thanks for watching and happy Easter!